I have a question for you. Would you have this kind of experience somewhere? Every day, it's an adventure.
I went from being nervous to being, okay, I can do this.
All the fear goes out of the wind, and you find it's a perfect way.
I used to think that adventure was all what I watched on the social media. People taking a leave, chasing what they call fancy, sometimes what they call secure. The truth is, it looks good, but for me, it's never fulfilling.
Like a lot with people, it's really easy to get stuck in a routine and a certain way of living. And I think that once you stop learning, you stop growing.
Then I realized that adventure has to stay raw, the unfiltered, the unscheduled. That's why whenever the body calls, I take no permissions, I take no perfect plans. And today, I have a little bit of it. Let's go. Trying to call these guys, they left us because of the rain. So I don't know if they're gonna pick. You know, this is the beauty of Kampala. Kampala, it rains anytime, any day. They're not picking, you know, when they are cycling. Sometimes it's hard for them to pick. So, Brian yejali yavuze leero oba kuba yiga teyavuze enkuba ebadde nnyingi oli otya eyo. I choose to move to the unknown, not the filtered kind. The real one, where the road decides and the body listens. So we cycle around and I managed to meet these fellow guys. If you're new here, these are the guys that I always ride with. Russ Bissali, Brian, Patrick King, and Chris. They're the ones who are available today, whereby they are initiating some new people into cycling.
Yes, welcome to this program. Women on Wheels meets Funcycling in Uganda. Very good program. Guys, come and join, cycle. Don't let us benefit alone. Even the women can benefit in this. Yeah, buy a bike, get on it, get fit. Yeah?
How was it?
It's fantastic. It's really going on well. Yeah, we need more women next time. Please come and join.
That's how we ride when we jump. Just have to be alert. It's a Sunday coffee ride today, and we have special guests. Those are the ladies on wheels. It has been challenging for them. In fact, first and foremost, we had a heavy downpour early morning, so it delayed us a bit. But at around 10:30, we managed to set off from the Independence Monument with the girls. You've seen them, young as 10. But we are trying to show them how you can ride in town with the borders, with the taxis and all types of vehicles. So I think it's gonna be good for them. We are trying to induct them into the system. Anyone else out there can as well go through the same, because many Ugandans have that fear that we can't ride in town because of too many borders, too many vehicles. And remember, we don't have cycling lanes in Kampala. And this is what we're advocating for. So we are trying to tell the authorities, please, if you want Ugandans to keep fit and cycle, let's have cycling lanes all over Kampala and the entire country. Trust me, you're going to have more people on the bicycles. This will save time. This will save the environment, as fewer people will be driving cars, because cars emit emissions, so they affect our environment. So we encourage government to invest more in a smart city kind of infrastructure that is walking and cycling. I think the ladies are enjoying. So how has been the ride? What's your experience, fears, challenges?
In the beginning, I was so nervous, very, very nervous. But as you go ahead, on and on, like you get that momentum and you keep riding, keep cycling, and it's really quite fine. Then I found a challenge around the Kampala roundabout. It was really so hard, but I managed to go through.
What are those challenges?
The motorbike, the boda guys, like they don't give you way. Yeah, but so far so good.
So far so good.
Yeah.
Great. We have Brian here. He's going to tell us his experience. First, he had challenges in changing gears, but yes.
Hi everyone, my name is Brian from Joe Walker, representing. Glad to be part of the Funcycling UG activity today, Sunday. It's been I've never tried riding in the city. It's my first time, but I can say it's fun. Also, it's good to see the beautiful scenery that our city has to offer. I encourage anyone out there to get a bicycle, to also come and tour around the city. Yeah.
So we have more ladies. Lydia here, she can tell us her happiness, fears, joy.
I have no fears right now. But I'm glad to be on the road. I've had a lot of fun.
Hello everyone, my name is Tendo Bridget Namulondo, and the experience with riding on Kampala, it's quite hectic. Some borders pass anywhere, but it's fun. My struggles, it's hard to climb a hill because it's my first time. Then at home I do like in the where we live, so it's a bit easy, but some places are hard.
In a society slowly losing physical interaction, all what we need is adventure to remember the value of being human. Stories are born from experience, and when we share them, we find more reasons to create new ones. They share their stories on the bike, we ride together, discovering not only what the body can do, but how connection brings us closer. At first, I just came to ride, to feel fulfilled, but the motivation, the stories, the shared struggle, they add more life to this adventure. There is a purpose in movement, and through purpose, we connect.
Beware? Here. You see? Anything, use both brakes and don't brake abruptly.
Here, Russ teaches more ladies how to ride. Not just about moving forward, it's about discovering what lies within the unknown.
I just hope I learn so that I can go home happy and proud of myself. Yeah, it's my first time really. My first time. I think balancing the boat, but also I think like we can have it all if we want to. If we just try to balance social life, finances, spiritual life, like that.
As I said earlier, before I was so nervous. And when they started talking about the journey, the routes we're going to use, I'm like, oh my God, I don't think I can make it. But the moment you see the team, like, you keep on and you want to do more and more. The road has been so busy. But
It's a Sunday.
imagine it's a Sunday, how about other days? The experience is really good and interesting, and I call upon all ladies to come and join.
Okay, relax a little bit. When we leave here, you would have learned. Just lean it on the wall like that. Lean it there on the wall. We started up an initiative. What we did is we came up with the plan for those who don't know how to cycle, and also for those who know how to cycle. So we encourage ladies to gather here every Sunday at 2 p.m. and they get a feel of the bicycle. So I'm trying to give her tips on how to start cycling. So we are trying to teach them to learn how to cycle. Basically, that's the whole purpose of this initiative. So we call upon more ladies every Sunday, 2 p.m. We are here at EB. So they should join us and learn and practice how to cycle.
I didn't I could make it up to where I ended up.
You know how many kilometers you've taken?
I don't know how many kilometers. What? Did I take all that? I don't think so. But it's really fun, and the team was good. After, when you get into the whole spirit, like you keep on enjoying and you want to do more and more. Though I got tired myself and I gave up somewhere, but at least I've managed. For the first time going on the road, it has been really so hard, but I managed to go through it. It feels like just went boom. I don't know how I went from being nervous to being, okay, I can do this, okay? It just happened. You put yourself into that and you say, I can do this. Without that, without determination and commitment, you can't do it. That's what I can say. Never give up.
So I let go of the expectations of scripts.
Yeah.
And I feel the true flow of life. Wherever you are, go to the unknown. Fear will always be there, but it doesn't build us. It's the road we choose that always keeps us alive.
For me, I have two phases of life. I have this personal life of mine, and I have another life which is about my profession, my status and all that. But when I'm in this kind of life, which I enjoy most, no one cares. What is always affecting us is what is in our mind. And the challenge that we have nowadays is that most of us, we always extend our professional lives into our local or our normal lives. What is that normal life? It's a life whereby your profession doesn't work, doesn't describe you. Whereby your status, let's say you're a married person and all that, doesn't describe you. That normal life is about you taking that challenge and having a space sometimes to experience yourself, to experience your muscles, to experience your breathing. For example, right now, I'm actually right here and everyone is looking at me, but I don't care. You know why? Because this is my life. And sometimes what limits us is that professional kind of life. People don't care. The only people who care are the ones that you've hurt. If at all you don't steal money from people, if at all you don't beat up people, no one gives a damn. So you're supposed to live your life. You're supposed to experience life fully. You're not supposed to keep on building that bridge around us. And for me, that is the main challenge that I used to have. I used always to have this kind of bridge around me. I know what, I cannot do this according to this age, I cannot do this. Of course, there's something that you cannot do. For example, stealing. For example, abusing other people. because you've learned through the process of life. But living in the community, traveling, moving around, meeting up people, eating food from local people, jazzing with people, it's real life. It's real life. We need real smiles. We need real people. Talk to people, new people every day. We are losing this kind of interaction, which is human to human interaction physically. We're always texting, we're always sending messages. Sometimes you spend a long time without meeting up new people. The people that we have are the ones that we work with, sometimes the ones that we take as our friends. But sometimes what we miss are the people that are not in our circles, and that's all adventure. Rain has actually, one or the other, interrupted my ride back. It's, you see?
Don't always plan that life too tightly. Sometimes all you need is a single day, an hour, a week to charge and recharge. It's not expensive, it's simple.
I think there's been a lot of focus on purpose these days, where people are like, I have to find my purpose. But when you can just come back to the present moment and really ask yourself, okay, what do I want for my life? Our purpose is to be our most fulfilled and joyful and of service.